This is not blinking, but this is blinking fast. Maybe it's a fuse, we don't know, but I'll find out. Alright, left one's good, right one's good. Let's check them outside. Alright, so it was a bad right rear bulb. So after I messed with the fuses, I think I may have fried it. I'm not sure. So we're all good here. Everything's blinking normal blink speed. So yeah, I put them back together. So that's the proper way. I think I had a few of them switched out of order. I should take a picture before I done anything. I usually do, I guess I forgot. So again, this was T15. I just pulled that out. It comes out of one piece, and I mean, there's plenty of videos, but that fixed it, so thank God. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully it helps somebody.